some hella big forms right here. They're $4.80s, $30. That's not bad at all. $40. Got a couple different colorways right here. Got this 2002R right here as well. $20? 20 bucks for these, really? I'm checking out some grade school stuff right here. NMDs, $30. We are back at the Back to the Future Mall, aka deadest mall in SoCal, because they got a Champs outlet. So this is the Champs outlet, and I was just told by the workers, buy one get one 50% off. They have this, I think this is the second time they've had this year, and today's the last day. They've had it for over a week now. Had it since last Sunday. Hope you guys saw the short that I did drop. I did release a short just so you guys get this information as soon as possible. Haven't even looked at anything, and I made sure I dropped a short for you guys. But yeah, I do got mids, got Jordan 37 lows right here, got a couple of them. Got 6 rings, 150, way too much. Dude, they got quite a few 6 rings, holy cow. $100 for this one right here. And they got a few more Team J's down there. Dude, got the Kobe 1 right here. These are the crazy ones. Got the crazy 8s right here as well. Trey Young 3s right here. 270s on sale. Weren't these more at Northridge? I swear these were like 120 at Northridge, and I was like, what the hell? Why are these 120? The dude got the Zion 2s. I think these are the best Zions. I think these look better than any of them. I think I have one pair of those. Got some hella big forms right here. I think these are like a size 13, 14, going for 40. Plenty of mellows. We've been seeing plenty of mellows at this spot, as well as the Foot Locker outlets. $60. That's hella cheap for these bad boys. If you get 2 of these, that'd be what, 90 bucks, I think? So 45 for each of them. Got more and more of those. They got a few down here as well. Look at these New Balance right here, $4.80s, $30. That's not bad at all. And these look okay. These look all right. Kind of flat, you know, but they're skater shoes. That's kind of how they are. 574s. I'm such a huge fan of these. Got the gum bottom as well on those. Got some suede bad boys right here, $70. That's not too bad. Not too bad. I think they're a little bit cheaper at the Foot Locker outlets. Got 650s right here. Not too shabby. 550s, $40. $40. Got a couple different colorways right here. 2002Rs. This black one is hella clean right here. Suede is just super soft on those. Got this army olive looking ones right here. $80. These are normally like $145, so that's not bad at all. Got some Asics Cayanos right here. Some of their big time runners. $100, not too bad. They're normally what, $160, I believe. Oh, they got this 2002R right here as well. I know a bunch of you guys are into these dad shoes and stuff nowadays, so do got those. Similar to the Foot Locker outlet, they have some tables here. Do they have anything really good though? Some Hoka running spikes. That's definitely interesting. But yeah, very limited sizing for these bad boys right here. Normally 80 down to 30. They got these, the Street Fighter Workout Plus. A few more Reeboks right here, $30 for those Workout Plus classic leathers right there. These aren't priced, but they're cheap. They're cheap. Nothing here is really expensive. Got the Mellow slides right here. I don't know how much these are going for though. They're not really marked, but they're gonna be below retail. Got a few Chucks right here. Looks like these are going for $40. And then got hats. I believe these are all $20. Got fitted hats. Got Dodgers fitted hats right here. Remember, everything is buy one get one 50% off. That does end today. And I did put out a short for you guys. Try to get you guys that information as soon as possible. So hopefully you guys got that. But yeah, I'll even throw it up on my Instagram to try to get that information out to you guys as soon as possible. I believe all these are 20 bucks. Oh, like I said, some of these are $10. Got Rams snapbacks down to 10 bucks. Got another $10 pile right here, so it kind of depends on which pile. This one is 20. Dodgers New Era hat and stuff right here. Okay. Still got some of the F1 tees. I bought a couple of these. I keep forgetting to give it to my kid's friend. Those are $40, but they got it for 20 here. And I don't think they have a few sizes. I see a large, see a medium. Got Puma hoodies right here. These are down to 20 bucks. It's kind of a steal. Normally 55. Do got Mellow merch. Still got a bunch of Mellow stuff right here. $40. What's it say on it? Always in rare form. But yeah, do got a bunch of stuff. $20. $20 normally $40 t-shirts. Love France right there. One of one. More of the Mellows right there. Is that a donut or is that a Cheerio? Or is that a bagel? Could be a bagel too. I got Jordan shirts right here. These are going for 20 bucks. And these are normally 35 down to 20. But yeah, man, they still have the King stuff right there. Pro Standards hoodies right there, $30. Got, I think those are Pro Standard jackets. Those are Mitchell and S jackets, $60 for those bad boys. And those are normally like what, $150 down to $60. A few different sizes for the Raiders, Steelers, as well as the Rams. And then they got the Gretzky and the Robitaille jerseys right there. Those are normally $200. Those are the authentic jerseys, normally $200 Mitchell and S. Remember, it's buy one, get one 50% off until the end of today. That's why I threw out that short. And then we got Pro Standard jackets right there. $100 right there for the three teams. I got Dodgers hoodies right here. These are all Pro Standard for $30. The Dodgers, Padres, Golden State Warriors. Shirts going for $20. I think these are $10. The Bel Air Academy shorts. They've been here forever. And then, I don't know who this is. This is Pro Standard. This, Dodgers. Pro Standard, is this swimming trunks? Yeah, they got the ball catchers inside. Got these as well. And then do got the cream color shorts. They're going for $40, the cream color. Laker shorts. These are dope as hell. I'm such a fan of these. I'm laying low because I still have like 8 or 9 pair of shorts that I haven't worn yet. So I'm going to say no to these. They got small, mediums. Is this large? They got small, medium, large. These are normally $110 and they got them for 40 bucks. Really? Yeah, that's what's up. That's what's up. Small, medium, large. When summer's almost over, you guys, almost over. I know I'm going to have the nerd saying, oh, it's not over. Hey, my kid's going back to school, so for me, summer's over. It's still hot as hell outside. But yeah, they still got these for the winter. If you don't mind buying off season, $20 for these. They still got these slides too, the Adelet 22s or whatever. But yeah, these are going for 40. They're okay. They're okay. They fit weird too. Try them on. They fit really weird. And since we're going back to school shopping, checking out some grade school stuff right here. NMDs, $30 for NMDs. Top 10s right here. Got a couple of them down to 30. Stan Smith going for $40. Got Stan's picture right there. Got 270s. Are kids still into 270s right now? This one's down to $70. That's definitely a good deal, and that matches with everything. Got some Air Max Plus. They can't give away Air Max Plus right now. They like Mellows right there. Do got all the Mellows still on sale. Some of them are down to $60. 60 bucks. That's not bad at all. And got a few more going for 70. 2002 Rs. If the kiddos need some dad shoes, or if your girl needs some dad shoes, right? Because a lot of the women can fit these. 574s. I guarantee they're not going for retail. This shows 60, so I wouldn't be surprised. But it's grade school, so they only start at 75 for grade school. Do got the Manoa boots for the kiddos. Look at this. Look at this. $40. And then $20 for this one for the girls right here. stuff's always falling down. $20? 20 bucks for these? Really? Holy cow. Holy cow. And kids are always asking for Forces. They don't need the all white ones. Got some pretty decent options. Then got a couple NMDs, and then look at this, 50 bucks. All black NMDs, match with everything. Full length boots, super comfortable. That's nice, that's nice. This one and that $30 banger down there, that's what's up. And moving over to the women right here, top 10s for $30. $60 for the NMDs right here. They got decent selection, hella bright, but got a decent selection. Got the Cardi B Club C's right here being given away pretty much free, 20 bucks. All black Huaraches. This is for the women, but kids could grab this size, especially for $40. Super comfortable. Got more and more Huaraches. Yeah, these ain't bad. These ain't bad. All white, not bad as well, but they're gonna get dirty hella quick. Got more 574s right here in the women's, as well as some Converse right here. Oh, I hate these. I hate these dirty looking ones. Dirty looking ones, man. Not a fan of these at all. You're just way too bougie when you're trying to look dirty. Yeah, I'm definitely not a fan of that. They do have more and more Converse. And prices, not too bad. Not too bad. Some faux, it's like kind of gator print looking ones. Okay, canvas on the medial side. Do got some Under Armours right here. These are the Phantom 3s. And these normally retail for like $140 or something. I did get one of these for my kid a while back. He played them for soccer. They're running shoes. He played them for soccer and they did get worn out pretty quick. But hella comfy. Hella comfy. He did like them. But yeah, that's the sneaker. That's the men's section right there. That's the women's section right there. And then the kiddos on the end. Also have a pretty decent selection of Crocs. $40. What are these? Like the Brats or something? The hell? Rainbow High, that's the name of their school. What the hell? But yeah, do got these going for $40. Some regular looking ones too. Is this? What the hell is this? That's a security tag? So it looks so weird. But yeah, do got these for $40. Got these right here. These are the lined ones. Keep you nice and warm. Got these English ones that my kiddo went through a while back. Got these going for $30. Then these colorful ones. These are down to $20. These are down to $20. Man, 20 bucks, not bad. Those are size 13, hella big. We got some more Crocs right here going for $30. Showed this last time, Timberland hoodies right here. If you're into Timbs, I know people on the East Coast are like, what? $30. $30. 68 down to 30 bucks. They got multiple colorways of these bad boys right here. The classic Timberland colorway right here. They had a ton of these before. This is a large, and then this is a medium and a small. They had a bunch of these before. And on the same $30 rack, they do have the LaMelo stuff right here. Everything says rare on it. I don't know what the hell is this the same one? Same one? No, I don't know. But yeah, they got LaFrance stuff right here. $30. $30. These are normally $85. They got large, they got medium, they got a few sizes. Small right here, okay. This Nike FC soccer jerseys. Nike Football Club jerseys. These are going for $30, normally $60. Women's hoodie. Oh, that's a men's? Small as hell? It's a small, okay. $72 down to $30. Oh, they got more Timberland hoodies right here. Yeah, these are all $20. These are all $20. I guess the color people aren't digging. Because I see them go for $20. $20. Oh, got LaMelo stuff right here for $20 as well. And, you know, unfortunately for you guys, it's too late. But if you guys saw my short, buy one, get one, 50% off. They got larges. They got a few different sizes here. They got Nike hoodies. They got some decent stuff here. Not bad. They got a bunch of shorts, Nike shorts. Is that ACG or something? What is this? $20 though. $20. Oh, it's swim. So all the swimming trunks right here down to $20. Nike swim. Need some hella bright ones. $10. $10 freaking dollars. And this is Sunday, the busiest day of the day here, and it's packed. It's packed. Buy one, get one, 50% off sale over, unfortunately, today. And I think we're done. I think we're done, man. Got maybe one more place to stop at, maybe. I have no clue what delusion the owner of this mall is. Look, it says center court. They're supposed to have all kinds of stuff there. And I don't know, is this a projection or is this what they're hoping for? But then this is what we actually see. This is actually more people than I've ever seen here, but half the store is empty. Man, dude. But there is a Ross, so we'll check it out real quick. Been seeing a little bit more stuff here, which is interesting. Project Rock t-shirt right here. This is Under Armour's premium stuff. $13. This is normally like 40 bucks or something, right? Columbia jacket going for 50, normally 115. Honda Racing shirt right here. It's going for $9. This is a medium. Did I get a medium or small for my kiddo? But I almost not see this. Simmons jersey. No clue who that is. $175 down to $40. Is he still with them? If he's still with them, that's your team. That's what's up. Oh, I saw this last time. Adidas Jeremy Scott jacket right here. Pretty wild. $40. Normally $120. And I got a Fields jersey right here. This is a triple XL? Triple XL, $40. I see a couple Wilson jerseys. Oh, Wilson and a Fields jersey. Okay, another Wilson one right here. $40. So not crazy, but we're starting to see more and more stuff. Who's Judy? Is that their punter or something? But yeah, starting to see more and more jerseys, which is pretty dope. Kind of trying to see where this came from, because this doesn't look like Adidas from the US. It's kind of interesting. But yeah, I do got some Ozelias, size 8.5, going for 40. Is that the Crater? The Crater shoes right here, $50 for these. Are these some Soldiers from way back when? Soldier 14s? Haven't seen these in forever. These are $44. Kokinis right here, size 9. $40 for these. I think these are golf. Yeah, these are golf. Got some Roshi golf, $35. Trey Young 3s, $38. Got the Wings shoes right here, the Adidas. I thought these were the Jeremy Scotts. I think his were just the black ones. These are going for 40. I think these are the Explore Boost, the super comfy shoes that people have been telling me about. Double layer of boost. That is a really big heel to toe drop though. That's gonna bother some people. $45 for those. Top 10 patent leather right here. These are going for 45. All right, nothing in terms of shoes here, unfortunately. They only have the buy one, get one 50% off sale 3 times a year at that Champs outlet. And it only occurs, I guess, the week before school, back to school weekend, Memorial Day weekend, as well as Black Friday weekend. So that is good to know. Did learn something in the video. So I think that's about it, man. Did find a couple shirts for my kiddo. Honda Racing shirt right here, as well as a NASCAR shirt. I'm gonna grab these for this fool. I think we're done. Make sure you guys help a boy out. Make sure you press that like button if you're new, subscribe. Here at the Champs outlet in Puente Hills. Dude, got a nice little sale going on here. Buy one, get one 50% off. That includes everything in the sneaker section as well as apparel. You know, I am checking to see if any family members need anything. And they got some pretty cool pieces, including these 574s. Look at these 480s, so freaking cheap. In the grade school section, do got NMDs going for $30 freaking. Got all kinds of Air Maxes on sale, tons of Air Max 90s down to $60, and these Air Max 95s. Remember, you also do get everything. Buy one, get one 50% off. full video coming on the Cool Kicks YouTube channel. Hopefully you guys could take advantage before the sale ends.